गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। एक बार जल्दी से बताइएगा, क्या ऑडियो और वीडियो आप सभी तक प्रॉपर्ली पहुंच रहा है? एक बार जल्दी से मुझे कंफर्म करिए, ऑडियो और वीडियो आप सभी तक प्रॉपर्ली पहुंच रहा है। तो आ गए हम लोग आज कुछ बहुत जबरदस्त लेके। कैसे सर, क्या लेके आए हैं? एक बहुत बड़ा अनाउंसमेंट। हेलो हेलो हेलो।
Yes, sir. You
ओके
all.
ओके ओके
We can continue, and it's English
ओके
channel. We can continue
ओके
now.
ओके सर, आई हैव जस्ट नोटेड राइट डाउन। Hello everyone, welcome to PW. Good evening everyone. So now we are live and we are going to give some very big announcement to all the students who are actually looking for batches. Okay, so today we are going to launch a very great or expected batch for which most of you are waiting for a long time. So me and Vishwajit sir going to tell you about each and everything about the batches. So let's talk about first biggest announcement of Parakram 2.0 batch. So yes, for 2026 GATE aspirants who are waiting for Parakram batch, now the Parakram batch is available for you. Soon I am going to tell you about the details of this batch, each and everything about the batch. Okay, each and everything about the batch, about the timings, about the schedule, everything I am going to share with you. So this is a batch E, and this batch is going to be in English only. Okay, so entire explanation, your whatever you are going to write, your notes, everything will be going to be in English only. That is for the electronics, and same is available for the electrical student as well. Just type your branch in the comment section, and if anything about this batch, if you are if just you wanted to understand, sir, what are the things are going to be in this batch, you can just mention over the comment section, because this session is live and we are going to tell you each and every sort of things. Okay, so this batch is also batch E, Parakram 2026, Parakram 2.0 batch, absolutely for those students who are focusing for GATE 2026. Now, before going to computer science announcement, I just wanted to ask Vishwajit sir. Sir, for computer science student, they are highly motivated for the GATE 2026. Is the time enough?
Hello, everyone. Good evening. Thank you so much, sir, for inviting me and making me the part of this particular session. So definitely see, most of the students are waking up at this particular time, which is June and July, when their semester exams are over. Now the biggest question comes, sir, is this particular time okay enough? Will we be able to get such kind of a good rank in next 6 months? Answer is yes and no both. Yes, if you prepare well and if you give enough time every day consistently. No, if you will just prepare it like your semester exams. This is GATE exam, of course, national level exam. But if you prepare well with the kind of batches we are providing, if you are taking those batches or going with some kind of guided study, you will definitely reduce lot of your efforts. Second thing is, every day you will have to put lot of time in your studies. If you can do that, for sure this is enough to reach to certain level where you want to, whether it is PSU or whether it is your MTech admission, PhD admission, whatever. So of course we have a batch for computer science also, batch E English. Again, as sir told, Varun sir told, same thing. This particular batch will be purely in English, notes will be in English, explanation will be in English, everything will be in English only. Now if I'll tell you, these batches are for GATE 2026. If you are preparing for GATE 2026, definitely these batches are for you. Parakram 2.0 batch E English. If you search that for computer science, you will get it and you can enroll for it. What are the batch features? These batches are for those candidates who are preparing for GATE 2026 exam. As soon as you open the batch, lecture planners are already available, that which course will start at what date and which course will end at what date. This is one of the best features of PW Gate Wallah, just because we value your planning well ahead of the time. So we plan well ahead of the time and give you entire seasons plan, that which subject will come at what time, so that you can understand and plan your courses and learning. And then you will be having gate pattern questions, MCQ, MSQ and NAT type in the classroom, then in the DPPs and in the weekly test also. What is DPP? Daily practice problems. After every chapter or after a bunch of topics completed, teachers are providing you practice questions. Those practice questions will have these type of three things. And if you are not able to understand the solution of that practice question, you have text solution. If text solution is not enough to understand, we have video solution also for each and every question we are providing in those practice sheets. Then you have weekly test also. What is weekly test? You will be having every subject, every weekend there will be a test. The test will be conducted in that gate pattern only. Of course, MCQ, MSQ and NAT type of questions, based on how many questions could be asked in that particular topic, based on the weightage and the coverage within that week. Those weekly test also will have text solution as well as the video solutions also. There is a doubt engine. If you are learning in your self pace or in your recording, or let's say you are doing revision, and at that time you get some doubt, you just raise your doubt through the doubt engine and you will get the answer from our dedicated team. Then you will be having live and recorded lectures by faculty. What does it mean? You will be having live lectures. As soon as the lecture is over, within few minutes or maybe sometimes half an hour or so, the recording of that particular lecture will be available on the portal and the app, so that you can watch it later as many as times you want to. Detailed analysis report, if you write the test, you will be getting it after the test. Now let's talk about yearly planner. As I was talking about, you will be having yearly planner for each and every batch in your batch section. How and what? Next 3 batches which we are going to have orientation for today, electrical, electronics and CS, Varun sir will tell you what will be the yearly planner for those 3 branches for upcoming entire season. Sir.
Thank you, sir. Just already, Vishwajit sir already told you about everything about the batch features, and it is in a very descriptive way. If someone missed, then he can just watch it again. I just add one important topic, sir. I just wanted to have a little bit conversation for the students. Many times a student ask, will it be possible to have a doubt clearing in an online class, especially when we are studying in a high number of student batches? So first, let's take the Vishwajit sir overview about that, and then I will let you know from my point of view whether it will be possible or not, and then I am going to show you. Till then, please write your comment that which batch you have enrolled and what is your dream rank you are chasing for. Over to you, sir.
So, sir, you are asking that if this particular time is enough for covering the syllabus, entire syllabus, or not?
No, sir. I just wanted to like my
Doubts.
student just
Okay.
wanted to know. Whether online class, is it possible to clear all the doubts in an online class? Is it possible for a student to get aligned with the teacher?
Okay. So see, there are 3 features you have to interact with the teachers and our team. One thing, live chats. As on the YouTube live, same chats you will be having on the feature on the app. So when teacher is teaching, you are constantly connected with the teacher. And with the online era, all the teachers are very pro to teach as well as scan all of your comments also. So if your comment is really good, that you have a question, you have a query, you have a specific doubt at a specific point, definitely teacher will address that. Second thing, if you are not able to answer a particular question and you want more discussion, you can raise the query through the doubt engine. Again, doubt engine will be like one particular doubt will have a lot of discussions over there. You will ask a question, we will reply. Then if you have further doubts, you can send, we can reply through voice notes. We will be able to reply through the images and many other manners, so that your answer can be done. Third thing is Telegram group. You have Telegram group of each and every teacher who is teaching on this particular platform. So there are a lot of students who are learning with them, and of course teacher and our team is also available. So if you have any doubt, you can ask the questions over there also, and teacher can give you those kind of answers. So ultimately, as far as my experience goes, for last 7 years of teaching online, and of course before that offline, it's I personally feel that my point of view is something like online definitely is better, just because students can ask more silly kind of question, or sometimes simple questions without any hesitation. So don't worry about that, your doubts definitely will be tackled, no issues at all, sir.
So I think Vishwadeep sir already told you about how we are going to interact with you in the batch. So it's just not like you are watching us over the mobile or your TV. You feel that we are actually present in your room in front of you. Okay. And you can, whatever you want, you can just ask, you will get the reply. Okay. So that kind of feature is available. Now let's talk about the batches. So Parakram 2.0 Gate 2006 English batch. Your subject is going to start from 21st of July, that is engineering mathematics. Engineering mathematics is the most important subject to understand entire engineering subjects. So your starting is going to be the first block, and that is the most solid block which is needed for your entire engineering part. Okay. So this will be started from 21st of July. 26th of September it is going to be end, and the timing is from morning 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. The timings are designed in such a way, the entire schedule will be in, just over the slide. You can just have an overlook of it. And I will tell you that this entire course is designed in a very precise way. So it is possible to be from start to end, we can declare all the dates. Okay. There may be a little bit fluctuation is possible. However, it is almost negligible possibilities, but still I'm saying that there will be a little bit possibility that because of some sort of technical issues, or maybe because of some health issue, there will be some little bit teacher health issue, there will be a little bit shift. Otherwise, you will get from day 1 to last day, the entire planner already we are showing. So first it will be started with engineering mathematics COA, then digital electronics, network theory, signal system, EDC, communication, EMFT, analog electronics, general aptitude, verbal aptitude, and control systems. Okay. Of course, you are starting a little bit delayed course, because now you have take a decision that I will get started with the Parakram batch for 2026. So you have to run little bit faster. So that is why if you observe the timings now, there will be a morning 8 to 10 a.m., 8 to 10 a.m. as well as 6 to 10 p.m. There is a possibility that in some of the days you found that, sir, the entire subjects are running such a like entire day will be consumed in watching the lectures and doing the numericals and questions. Yes, it is possible, and it is okay, because you are doing something great thing, so you need to put that effort. Okay, so you must have to be ready for that. And this batch, from day 1 to your end date, entire syllabus as per the date wise description is given. We will share this over our Telegram also. Like my Telegram is Varun sir @PW. Vishwadeep sir Telegram, he will also
Vish-
write it for you. Yes, sir.
Vishwadeep sir,
Okay,
PW.
Vishwadeep sir PW. Now please observe, for electrical engineering, again engineering mathematics is the most important part. So this batch is started with engineering mathematics, not only the marks wise, but it's also important to establish your fundamentals so that you will be able to understand the difficult subjects as well. Okay, so engineering maths, then from 4th August onward, you will getting digital electronics, network theory, and in the same pattern as we have discussed for the electronics. You can just have a look of this, and you will get this PPTs over our Telegram channel as well. Okay. If you have any doubt, if you want to ask anything, please feel free to ask. Sir, how much effort you put effort? Okay. See, if we talk about our era, it will be different. Why? Because at that time, before 10 years, before 12 years, if we talk about, then that time like it is very difficult to get the things in as easy way as in this possible 2025 or 26 or after 2020 onward. Okay, so you have an opportunity. Along with that, you have a different competition level. So for that competition level, you need to prepare, and you need to prepare the strategy according to the present era now. Okay. So our era is different, but this era is different. You have to make your preparation for this particular era as per the present situation. Okay. Now let's talk about the CSE. Sir, over to you for the CS schedule.
Thank you so much, sir. For CSE, I am going to start COA, Computer Organization Architecture, from tomorrow. I will be visible tomorrow onwards from 21st July in the evening. Timing will be 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. You can see most of our timing are in such a way that you can attend your colleges also, of course, in the noon time, and in the evening or early morning we will be having maximum of our classes so that you can attend those classes also live. You can see then DBMS 18th of August, C programming 18th of August, and so on. Everything is there. Two courses you will be having recorded. Theory of computation you will be having recorded, and two courses which will be in the morning, early morning, which is mathematics and aptitude. Mathematics also starting from tomorrow 21st of July, which is in the morning, just because of course one course will be in the evening, one course will be in morning, so that you can easily manage your college and along with that your classes also. Most of the students are asking same question one and again, sir, is it enough to have 6 months? See, I had students who have completed the courses in just 3 months also. Yes, they have taken the batches very late, 3 months, recorded lectures they have watched, and they have watched like anything and completed the syllabus in 3 months, practice for 2 months, and gone. Bam! Yes, under 100 rank. They are in IIT and IISc. I can just give you those names also. One of the students' name is Yash. Yes, he was All India rank 19 in third year itself with just 3 months syllabus completed. So there are such kind of exceptional students. If you put efforts daily, consistently, definitely you will have results. But if you will keep just asking the question same to me and everywhere, and you will not put up the efforts, you will not start, then definitely you will suffer. Of course, just because every day pass, every time goes, you will be behind of many people. Every day people are putting up the efforts. So if you want to start as soon as possible. In fact, now and now and now. Okay, let me talk about faculties. Okay, I'm sorry, sir, I will talk about computer science faculties, and then we'll come to you and to talk about the electrical electronics faculties also. First of all, I am here Vishwadeep, alumni of IISc Bangalore, on linear rank 19, 119, 440. So many things are there, but the most important part is I am available on this platform just to make your career, and that is what your goal also. So our entire team, whatever qualification they have, their most important USP is they want to put efforts every day for their work. Yes, just because it is related to your career. We have Vishal sir, again IIT alumni. He will take care of the courses discrete math, DBMS. I teach operating system and COA. Then we have RBR sir, not RRB, it is RBR. And Ravindra Babu Ravula sir, he is again IISc alumni, and he is one of the biggest name in the computer science, gate domain. Then we have Venkat sir, TOC and CD he takes. Then he is from Hyderabad University, MTech, and then lot of research and lot of experience. Then we have Kashif sir, IIT Bombay alumni. He will take care of programming, and if you are going for some placement batches, there also you can see over here. Aditya Jain sir, algorithm, IIT Bombay alumni. Then we have Ratan sir and Vinay sir. Ratan sir will take care of aptitude, and Vinay sir will take care of the mathematics. Vinay sir, again IISc Bangalore alumni, and he is having long list of achievements. So you can see It's not about qualifications and everything. It is more about putting up the efforts. And as I told you, it's not only in computer science, it's in electrical, mechanical, civil, every branch we run. The most important USP here is the teachers put up the efforts so that you guys can get your career out of it. Okay, let's talk about electrical and electronics faculties from
Uh,
one of the faculty himself. Sir.
Thank you, sir. Someone has written the sir, also tell the subjects which faculty is going to take what subject. So I will tell you. Meanwhile, just one important line that already Vishwadeep sir mentioned, that you need to believe that 6 months is enough. See, failure is not so dangerous than a doubt. So if you are doubting yourself now in your your preparation, if you are doubting, then it will be more dangerous. Okay. So 6 months is enough for the GATE exam to get in top 10 or top 100 rank. And top 100 rank, it means you will get everything. Okay. Now let's talk about the faculties for the electrical and electronics. So first, and you all know that he is the biggest star, Pankaj sir, and he is going to teach you network theory. Okay. And power electronics also, sir deals power electronics as well. Vinay sir is going to teach you mathematics. D. Satish sir, COA part for the electronics, measurement, and COA part, microprocessor part for the electrical and instrumentation and all other instrumentation core subjects. Then Chandan sir, digital electronics as well as electronic devices and circuitry. Sonu Lal sir deal EMFT and communication. Pankaj Singh sir as well as digital electronics. Pankaj Singh sir for the signal and system and control systems. Control system is going to be dealt by the Pankaj Singh sir. Sakesh sir for communication and your uh, communication and EMFT part. Then Kamesh sir, analog electronics. Ratan sir is going to deal you about the entire your non-tech portion. Okay. Then Sapna ma'am, your English part. Ajay sir, power electronics, power system and control system. Myself, I am going to teach you a digital electronics or control systems. Okay. So these are the different names. Whosoever you are going to get the course now, you are going to enjoy, because all are the legends. I'm not saying myself. All others are the legends of their subject.
You
So
are
you are
also a
going to
legend, sir.
you are going to just fall in love with the subject. Okay. Now let's talk. Thank you, sir. Let's talk about the infinity. I have also told you about the electronics, okay? Because this slide is for the electrical as well as electronics. So I'm going to teach you electrical machine, and electrical machine, you are going to fall in love with electrical machine. Power system and power electronics is going to be dealt by Ajay sir. Now let's talk about the GATE infinity plan. Many times a student thought that the classes are enough. Why to go with some premium kind of features? But this is not a product where you have to choose a premium or a just a standard one. There are some extra sort of services that is offered by the Infinity apart from the regular plan. Okay, and that is why there will be a difference in the fees. So basically, when there are some extra kind of services, definitely they involve many other things also, like some SMEs are needed, teacher involvement is needed, some extended support is needed. So there are many other things apart from that, test series needed, books needed. So even if you are in the standard, you have a opportunity to go with the Infinity, but depends upon your pocket. You can choose one of them. Okay. So both have a equal kind of teaching, but some features are additional. Now, please observe about the classroom learning, live as well as recorded lecture. So mostly you will get live lectures. Some of the lectures are recorded, and that too is given because of short span of time. Okay. So for the recorded, you can choose a weekend and you can go ahead. Some of the third year or final year students are asking, sir, how to start, when to start, how many number of hours are needed. We are going to tell everything. You can just put your doubts in the comment section. We are going to tell you everything. Now about the topic wise practice sheet with video solution. This is also very important thing. What happened when a student will learn some concept, by doing to and fro, he will be able to solve the question without understanding the depth of that particular question or the content really asked in this question. We don't know what actual question is going to be asked in GATE. We don't have paper. Okay. So we know what kind of paper will be created, what are the different types of concepts are for that particular topics which are involved in the syllabus. Okay. So we are going to teach each and everything to you in a manner which is going to be asked in GATE. But you have to understand the depth of concept, how the question is framed, how to extract the information. So that video solution part will help you a lot. Apart from just download a PDF, you can watch some complex question video solution too. That will help you a lot. Then test with video solution. Same concept we have applied for the test also. So that even if you are getting your answer by to and fro and you don't know what is inside that particular question, by observing the video solution, we will be able to understand. Then a doubt solving. So this is a regular plan. For infinity, there is a khajana. And Vishwadeep sir tell you more about the khajana, GATE PYQ, GATE test series, mentorship, and IGP program. So over to you, Vishwadeep sir. Okay, Vishwadeep sir, I think. Okay, so sir is right now sir is not available. Okay, no issue. So about Khazana, I'm telling you about Khazana. In Khazana, there are different lectures pre-upload. So what happened if you are, suppose you are targeting for GATE 2026 and you want to learn at more faster speed than a regular plan is going on. So you can watch some of the videos which are available in your batch as a recorded lecture. So you can just make a mix and match. Like if the digital is running, you can match it with the electrical machine. You can run your speed to complete your entire syllabus before time, and you'll have a sufficient time to go through the multiple test series as well as to go through the number of different questions, okay, for the practice part. Then GATE PYQ, this is very important part. You should have a PYQ part, okay. Why I'm saying that PYQ part is important for you? Because PYQ book with a video solution will give you a great like advantage to understand PYQ. Almost 60% of the GATE paper is going to be designed based upon the PYQ only. Any branch, whether you're CS, electrical, electronics, mechanical, civil, any branch, almost 60% is based upon the PYQ. Not exact PYQ question is going to be asked, but they will reframe the PYQ question in a modified form. The same concept with the same everything is going to be utilized to solve that question. So that will help you a lot. So GATE PYQ book is must needed for every student to keep. Okay. And then mentorship and IGP plan is additional for this infinity batch. Now let's talk about the batches. I'm just giving you some more important things about the batches. Sir, how many classes will have in one day? Okay, someone is asking, sir, how many classes? Already we have given the schedule to you. Okay, so since you are, if you are from electrical or electronics, electrical will have the largest syllabus. So maybe there will be a possibility that you will have 5 hours of classes sometimes. Usually this will be 4 hours, okay. And for CSE, it will be nearly 3 hours to 4 hours classes only, okay. For electronics, it will be 4 hours of classes. Approximately on daily basis, you will get approximately 4 hours of classes. Now, how to reach that particular batch, okay. So just you need to put pw.live in your web browser. You will reach here, and then Parakram GATE 2026 batch electronics. You will have the opportunity to buy or explore the batches. You can explore the batches, and then you will have the information related to like other subjects. What are the subjects? Who is going to teach you? Everything will be available. Just making it little bit more darker. Sir, is it possible to change from Parakram CSC batch D to batch E? For that, you can just put a mail over the contact us. If there is a possibility, you will get that opportunity, okay? Now, let's talk about all the classes. Subject-wise, scheduled notice will be provided in the classroom section. So those already enrolled, please observe here where you will get the classes. So once you will reach to your batch, then there will be a study of your study plan of that particular batch you will select, and then notices are available. All the upcoming classes as well as DPP notice, everything will be available in the notice section. A starter kit is there, and then subject wise. Whenever the entire lecture get completed, that lecture will be available in the same section in a recorded format. Okay. Now let's talk about PW app. So PW app will be provided, will also provide the faculty details with their demos. Like if you want to understand who is going to teach you, what and how they are teaching, so there will be a demo sections also, and you can match your frequency with the teacher. Okay. Later on, if we move to the DPPs and their video solutions. So already we told about the DPPs and video solution in the previous section. Here I'm just showing you how it will look. So in the DPP section, there is a DPP where you can download your DPP, you can do the question wise and the test. Onto the test there is marking A, B, C, D. You have to select. You will feel just like you are giving the test on over the GATE actual exam. So same kind of entire interface will be available. Okay, almost same kind of interface will be available. Now most important part, how and when, where we can ask a doubt. So see, you can ask a doubt for a particular slide. So there is a possibility that you can ask during the live class as well as after the class is completed. If you are studying recorded version also, then also you will have the same opportunity to ask a doubt from a particular class. Okay. So ask a doubt will be available for every slide where you can just put and your doubt and that will be answered. Two level of answering of the doubts are available. First level and second level. If your answer is, if you are satisfied, okay. Otherwise you can re-ask, then it will goes to the second level. Now come to the most important part, how to directly connect with the teacher. So already I told you every teacher will provide their Telegram channel where you can directly connect. You can just put your doubt by a voice message and they will reply by a voice message. So this is the best, I think, possible opportunity to you. Okay. Now let's talk about watch and suggest about the lectures. Once the lecture will be completed, you can rate the lecture. You can tell us about the lecture, how it was, what you additional wanted in the lecture. Okay. What is your feeling about the lecture, everything. So you have a proper, for every lecture, there is a possibility to give a feedback. If there is any need of improvement needed, you can just put it, or just if you love, just put 5 stars. Now, you can also report and write us for any issue faced while watching the lecture. Let us suppose you are watching the lecture and the lecture is, let us suppose something happened during the lecture, it crashed, or let us suppose paused lecture. So you can report it and that bugs will be fixed up, or you will be informed how that particular bug will be fixed. Let us suppose if you haven't updated your app, there is a possibility. So that is also going to be resolved by this section. Okay. Now technical issue. Already I told you about the technical issue, how to report. How to report the technical issues or whatever you want from the batch. Okay. So how to report that? There is a study section. When you over, this kind of interface will be available in front of you. There will be a contact us page where step 1 where you have to go. And then onto the contact us, there is a help center or my issues. You can select, let us suppose if you have an issue. Let us suppose if you have an issue with you want to reach to the support team. Contact us, support, my issues, payment related issue, app, subscription issue, or some other kind of issues. So you can just put it here. Accordingly, another window will be open where you can put your message. It will be answered very fast as possible. Okay. So the team will be going to inform you each and everything about the any kind of issue if you face. So now please tell me what are the your like additional information you wanted to be asked from this particular orientation session. As the session is live for all of you, some of the questions asked by the student I'm going to answer. First, how many number of hours are need to be studied? You don't need to study hours. The important is your study hours should be purposeful. If your study hour is purposeful, it's okay. Is it okay? So you need to understand the concept. That is more important. You will be able to connect. You will be able to solve the questions. That is more important than counting the number of hours. Is it okay? If you are just thinking that I will speed up for 1.5x and just listen the lecture and I will be able to solve all the question, nothing magic is going to be happen like this. Okay. See, if I give us a small example, if someone just walked around nearby some transformer, he or she found a humming sound. like this kind of sound from the transformer. Why it is? Because the transformer is overloaded. So when there is a overload, there is a sound. Is it okay? So what happens? Our energy is losing. That energy loss, that effort, you are able to hear. Is it okay? Done by the extra effort done by the transformer. So same thing for you also. If you are thinking that we will get some shortcuts and I will just chill and able to qualify anything, no. You need to be heat up. You need to burn your mind cells. Okay. So if you are ready for that, na, this race is for you. And you need to ready for it. Why? Because I in the same session, I have told you that failures are not dangerous comparative to doubts. Doubts are always more dangerous than failures. Because failures, you have an attempt, you have attempted, you have put your efforts, you have learned something. If you learn something, that some or in any way, that is going to return you back. Sir, is it better to learn the subject with the course sequence, or we should choose another way? See, if you are in Infinity Batch, then there is a possibility that you can choose a way you want, or the way suits for you. Like if you want one easy subject or one complex subject going live with one easy subject going in recorded, it is possible. But when you are in the paid subscription, let us suppose you are in a standard subscription and you are unable to watch the lectures recorded. Most of the students faces the issue that they will be unable to attend the recorded lecture. However, they will be very easy to attend the live classes. They are very energetic while attending the live classes. So if you are that kind of person that you feel laziness in the attempting recorded lectures, then my suggestion is go as per the flow and enjoy your entire learning journey. Whatever we taught, just listen it, apply, do the numericals, go with the PYQs and so on. Anything else anyone want to ask? Sir, GATE 2028, when we are going to launch GATE 2028? Okay, so you can just put the comment after this session in the comment section of which year batch you wanted. Okay, what kind of batch or which year batch you want. Definitely we will listen and we will respond you. Sir, how to join the teachers Telegram? It's available with their name. Like if you want to join my Telegram, just you need to put over the Telegrams in the search bar, Varun Sir PW, @Varun Sir PW. You will get my image with the PW logo. Okay, and one more thing, maybe some false kind of channels are also running. So you need to understand what kind of things are going in the channel. Like suppose if it's an educational channel, definitely students are asking some of the things and we are responding that things. So you will be able to connect like that. Okay. Uh, that happens in case if you misspell anywhere. Okay. So, sir, during the college hours, how it is possible to prepare in the morning? Morning time is the best time. Try to go to the bed early. Wake up early. So it's very important thing. Early to bed, early to rise. This concept is great for all students, especially for those who are in third year, especially for those who are in final year, because you have to do many more things in the entire day. You have to go to the college, you have to study college syllabus as well, practicals, and some of the you have to interact with your friends as well. So there are many lot of things you have to perform in the entire day. So if you wake up early, you will get a sufficient time for the day. Okay. Okay, what about the classes, sir? Let us suppose you have to travel somewhere. For your college, you have to travel, and the class timing is morning 8 to 10. So your college is going to be started from, I think, after 10 or 9:30 onward. Let us suppose 9:30 or 9 a.m. onward. So you will have 1 hour of lecture. You can just watch while traveling. Okay, and after returning back from a college, take a small 15 to 20 minute of nap and then complete the remaining portion of the lecture. There is a possibility that you are unable to make your notes, but no issue. In such a situation, just download the notes, okay, and keep it in a format, in a arranged format. Whenever in Saturdays or Sundays you will get an opportunity to get the revise it, you will have a sufficient time. You will have an opportunity to revise for Saturdays and Sundays. Spend the time on the revision while writing you can write during the revision part. You need not to watch the entire lecture. Already you have watched the lecture, so you can just go with the PDF and try to note it down. While writing down, you somewhere if you stuck, like you are unable to understand how this step will come, for that you can just choose the particular slide and watch over the lecture. So that will saves your time, as well as it will make you possible to attend the classes almost live. You have to keep your daily routine fixed, which is needed for this particular exam. See, GATE exam or engineering services exam, one thing is very important, and that is focus and determination. Focus and determination. So when you are studying, you should need to focus on your goal as well. When you are studying, you need to focus on the concepts. And determination means today's lecture must be finished by today only. It should not go to tomorrow. So if you at least watch the lecture, download the PDF, do the revision, then you have a weekend opportunity to prepare your notes. So it will be completed in this way. Anything else? Sir, I have received math classes. Okay, so I think mostly doubts I have taken. If some of the doubts I am unable to take, then you can just put over the comment section after the end of the session. Thank you, everyone. Lots of love. Thank you, everyone. Good night.